So let's learn about personal hygiene, and we will learn specifically on cleaning the face. So what are some of the materials that we need for us to clean our face? We said we need water, and this water we said can be either in a bucket or it can be tap water. For us to clean our face, we also need soap, and we said the soap can be bar soap or liquid soap. Then the last thing that we need when we want to clean our face is a towel. The towel helps us to dry our face. So what are some of the steps which we have to follow when we are cleaning our face? The step number 1, we have to pour clean water into the basin. Make sure the water that you're using is clean. Don't wash your face with dirty water. Step number 2, you have to wet your face and apply soap. Then step number 3, you have to rub your face gently. You can use a face towel to do that. Our step number 4 is, after now you have applied soap and rubbed your face, you have to rinse the face using clean water. Then our step number 5, you have to use a clean towel to dry your face. Make sure you use a clean towel to dry your face. Then our last step is that after you are done the washing and drying your face, make sure you apply oil on your face.